New Honda ADV 350 Features and Technology 2027.
Euro 5 ready. The engine was recently refined to meet the strict Euro 5 Plus emission standards, which will remain the benchmark for 2027. Engine 330cc SP Plus Enhanced Smart Power Plus SOHC 4-valve single-cylinder. Power, approximately 29 horsepower, 21.5 kilowatts at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Efficiency, improved ECU settings and a revised muffler catalyzer design for cleaner operation without sacrificing the 30 km/h WMTC fuel economy.